How to copy paste text between Android and Windows PC. First thing you need to do is go to your web browser or your app store. Once you are on Google Play Store, you can just search for something called Microsoft. You can just type in Microsoft Swift key, hit enter, click on the first link that you see here, Microsoft Swift key AI keyboard, click on it to install. Once it's installed, click on open. And then you're gonna have to sync your laptop with your phone. For that, click on Let's Set Up Swift Key. Now turn this on for your keyboard. Turn on Microsoft Swift Key, and then got it. So you can just go to Settings and toggle the switch over here. Let's just turn this on. Click on OK. Alright, so select Microsoft Swift Key from here, and then select Swift Key. I'll just select this, and click on Try Your Keyboard. Once you have done that, you can allow notifications. And once you sign into your account, you should be able to sync your clipboard to copy texts. So for that, what you can do is sign into your account. And then from here, you can just head over to your keyboard. Now from your keyboard, go to Clipboard and then click on Enable. Now tap on Remember Screenshots. Click on Allow All. Just go back. And then from your keyboard, you can just tap on this text. You can set up devices, so just tap on Setup. Then you just have to sign in with your account. As you can see here, the sign in is successful. Now just click on Agree, tap on Yes. And then just turn this on. That's called Clipboard Sync History. So you can just sync the clipboard history over here and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.